Good morning class 2. Today we are starting a new chapter of English 2, Smile. So now let's start. Augustus the tiger was sad. He had lost his smile. He did a huge tiger stretch and set off to find it. So this story is about Augustus the tiger. Okay, this tiger, his name is Augustus. Okay, so Augustus was sad and he had lost his smile. So Augustus, he did a huge tiger stretch, means to stretch arms and legs. Okay, so he stretched his arms and legs and he went off to find his smile. Okay. First, he crept under a cluster of bushes. He found a small shiny beetle, but he could not see his smile. So, what is crept means? Crept means move slowly. Okay, move slowly, crawl slowly, and quietly. Okay, so he started to crawl slowly and quietly under a cluster. Cluster means a small group. Okay, so he started to crawl slowly and quietly under a small group of bushes. Okay, so then he found a small shiny beetle. So what is beetle? Beetle is a insect. Okay, so this is a beetle. Okay, so he found a beetle, but he could not find his smile. Okay, so he could not find his smile. Okay, then he climbed to the top of a tree. He found birds that chirped, but he could not find his smile. So again he again climbed to the top of the tree. Okay, and he found a bird that chirped. Chirped means a sound of a bird. Okay, so he found a chirping bird, but he could not find his smile again. Okay, Augustus searched in many places. He climbed a high mountain. There was a lot of snow and the air was freezing. So Augustus, he searched in many places. Okay, so what did he search for? He searched for his smile. Okay, he searched for his smile in many places, but he could not find. So he again climbed a high mountain and there was a lot of snow and the air was freezing. So what is freezing means? Freezing means very cold. Okay. He swam to the bottom of the sea and splished and splashed with souls of tiny shiny fish. So again he swam to the bottom of the sea. Okay, so he was swimming in the sea to find his smile. Splished and splashed. Splished and splashed means when we swim in water, the sound of the water is splished and splashed. Okay, so he was swimming in the sea to find his smile, and he saw shoal means a large number. Okay, so he found a large number of tiny shiny fishes, but he cannot find his smile again. Okay, he walked through the desert in the hot sun. He could not find his smile anywhere. So again Augustus, he went to the desert. Okay, so he walked through the desert in the hot sun, but in the desert also he could not find his smile. Okay, Augustus walked further and further through the sand until pitter patter, drip, drop, plop. So Augustus, he was walking and walking and walking in the desert. Okay, in the desert until it started to rain. So what is this pitter patter, drip, drop, plop? This is the sound of rain while raining. Okay, So this is the sound of raindrops. Okay, so it started to rain. Okay, Augustus danced and raced as raindrops bounced and flew. So what is raced means? Raced means ran fast. Okay, so Augustus, when it started to rain, he danced and he started to run fast as the raindrops bounced and flew. As it started to rain, he danced and raced. Okay, he splashed through puddles bigger and deeper. He raced towards a huge silver blue puddle and saw there under his nose his smile. So as it started to rain, puddle means a small pool of water. Okay, so as it started to rain, there was a small pool of water. Okay, the small pool of raindrops. Okay, so he splashed through puddles bigger and deeper. He ran towards huge silver puddle and saw there until under his nose his smile. So when it started to rain, he saw in the puddle of water, in the small pool of raindrops, he saw his face there, under his nose he saw his smile. Okay, so can you see in the picture? He did not have to swim with the fish or dance in the puddle or climb the mountain or cross the desert to find his smile. It was always with him. So at last he realized that when he saw his smile under his nose, he realized that he did not have to swim with the fish or dance in the puddle or climb the mountain or walk through the desert for a long time to find his smile. Okay, so it was always with him. Okay, it was always with Augustus. Okay, Augustus was so happy that he hopped and skipped and jumped away, smiling, and ran all the way home. So when he saw his smile under his nose and he knew that his smile was always with him, Augustus, he felt very happy. Okay, so he was so happy that he jumped and he danced and he went his home smiling. Okay, thank you class 2.